Welcome to Options Master. So basically you might have been some questions like what we are doing and what we are trying to accomplish in these markets. So I'll try to answer some of your questions. Basically we are a team of professionals who are tracking stock markets for a very long period of time now. We trade basically in equity, futures and options. So our team consists of Nitish Bharadwaj, who is doing technical analysis in equity and futures. Mr. Mayank Bharadwaj is tracking options. Ojas Style does the fundamental analysis of. So basically what is our goal is to generate constant returns or higher returns with risk management. We are maintaining right now is an accuracy of 80% in all these segments. Services that we are providing is portfolio management, brokerage, fund management and back tests. We are expecting out of the market is to create an annual return of 60 to 80%. So as you can see, the number of trades that we have taken is 21 and only one is in loss. So accuracy is around 90% right now for this particular quarter. So our net future profits, that is like 2873,000 rupees, and this is equity profit of 28,000 rupees. So total we invested approximately 5 lakh rupees, on which a gain of 1 lakh rupees is there. As you can see here in the account value, this particular account was started with a capital of 5 lakh 15,000 rupees, as you will see here. And right now the current value of this particular account is 6 lakhs 21,000 rupees. So basically a gain of approximately 30%. The account is totally based on futures and options trading and equity. Now well, I will show you one this particular account in which we have done only options trading. So as you can see, the account value that we started in this particular quarter was 4 lakh 86,000 rupees. So we will see how much value we have created from this particular capital. So right now the capital value is 6 lakh 41,000 rupees. From where we started was 4 lakh 80,000 rupees. So you can kindly reach us at the numbers given, and you can follow us on Telegram and Twitter handles.